I'm Jephtah Leijen, working for GoMull Energy. I'm a drone certified licensed pilot by the UK Civil Aviation Authority, and I mainly fly drones for inspections, for aerial and mapping, survey, and also we do conduct 3D modeling on assets. VGM is the only drone operator in the region, in the Caribbean and South America, that actually does or provides the client with industrial inspections. The industries that uses our services are the infrastructure, utilities, renewables, telecoms, and also search and rescue. So we provide the client with the data that we capture and convert it into usable information that the client can look at afterwards and analyze exactly what's wrong with the structure. We could both do the analyzing. We could do the analyzing along with the client according and meet the client expectations. It just depends on the client, what the client wants, and how the client wants to continue the process. We can do the inspection faster, we could save money, we save time, and also save lives. So in other words, we don't have to use scaffolding, which could take weeks just to prepare, because a very high amount of cost. So if we can eliminate that and actually do the inspection with drones, and then what we normally do in 3 or 6 or 8 weeks or 3-4 months can actually take a few days or a week, and actually deliver the data to the client, analyze it, and do the actual inspection. If necessary, we'll have to go back to the structure to look at the points that the client wants to look at. So we collect another data from the actual structure, and the decision can be made on the spot as to what the maintenance or what will be done to recuperate the structure. VGM can operate in the toughest weather conditions and analyze data on the spot, and then immediate decisions could be taken. For example, the cranes that we use for containers, we have chimneys, we have smokestacks, flare tips, oil rigs, hard to reach places, splash zones. A splash zone is basically 2 or 3 feet above water level. So if the water hits the rocks, it could create loose particles, and that could hit the structure. So in other words, it could deteriorate or damage the structure. What's so unique about the conditions in Aruba is that it's very windy, there's a lot of dust, saltpeter, and I think that's a great effect on our structures here on the island. VGM offers end-to-end solutions to our clients.